Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making Welcome Home's healthy and easy garlic spaghetti Allioli-olio. You can enjoy garlic spaghetti at home using the Welcome Home's method in just 10 minutes. It's really easy and so delicious. Let's make it! Boil water and add some oil and salt. Cook pasta while making the sauce. Slice 7 pieces of garlic. Add a half cup of organic extra virgin olive oil. And add sliced garlic. Cook on low heat until sauce is done. Be careful, garlic shouldn't be burned. I love garlic taste, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic puree, but you can skip it. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of organic red pepper flakes and stir. The sauce is done. Time to add pasta. Someone making noise, so I had to turn the volume off. Sorry. This is organic parsley from the freezer. I have another video that shows how you can store parsley and other vegetables last longer. If you want to learn, please check it out. Add 1/4 cup of parsley and 1/4 cup of organic Parmesan cheese and mix well. Allioolio pasta is done. Let's set up the table. You can enjoy delicious pasta in just 10 minutes. So easy and quick. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy!